Guys, we made it to the cabin. We're here. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you everyone for watching and for subscribing. It means so much. You'll never know. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so happy it's growing. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. That means everything to me, but we made it to the cabin. So last time we were here, we got the water running down to the cabin, and then we had to drain all of the pipes when we left because it's starting to freeze. And so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the water back on. I'll show you what that consists of. So right now we just have the water coming out right here, and it'll go into the house soon. But for now, we just have this on-off valve right here. And I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm going to turn it on up here, if I can. Ooh, there we go. Guys, one day this will be up there, and my sink will be here. My furniture will be here, and it will be beautiful. Okay, I'm just cleaning out our sink here. It's got some, this is a new stain, but it's got some old stains I can't get off of it. So I'm going to use this barkeeper's friend and try to get it off. Okay. I can't believe it got out this stain that was over here. So this is the first time through. It'll definitely be easier when we have water coming out of the tap. But it took up like a whole bunch of paint stains around the sink on the bottom, so I'll need to do it more. I need to do the side somehow too. So we went into Sears to pick up our stove. It finally came in, and Dylan wants to go hunting. Tomorrow's the first day of hunting season, so he's going to get some ammo. And we painted the trim, waiting for that to dry, and then hopefully we'll get some more stuff done tomorrow. We got our stove here.
Fancy.
High tech.
Can't even tell what time it is.
We're gonna need a clock. All right, so we were just here for the weekend. So today, Dylan and I all day worked on the trim, and we got all of the trim on the bottom floor finished. All the windows are done. I can't believe it. We even did these ones. They look good from afar. They're so dirty, they need washed, but they look good. I'm so excited. We cleaned up all around the stove. Looks so nice. All the windows need washed. But everything is over here. So this is our stove, our propane oven. In here, we're just leaving it together. I cleaned the sink. It's looking better. So I think the next time that we'll be down here is the first week of December, and by then we should have our solar panels. And what we need to do is hook up our electric, our solar panels, all of that. We have to build the platform, everything, run it to the house, put in the box, like it'll be a lot of work. We also have to attach the water to the house. And then we can move in. It won't be finished at all, but we can move in then because we have water, heat, and electricity and internet. So soon. Okay, I think this video is going to be really short, so I'll go through a couple of the things I bought off of Amazon for when we move and that we have used so far and that we'll use in the future. First up, we got a little stove fan. So this runs off of the heat that the stove puts out. So it's not electric, it just runs off the heat electricity. I don't really know how it works, but it's awesome. And then I also got this stove polish that was recommended to me from someone on Instagram, but you have to do it while the stove is cold, and I didn't do it yet. So you can see how it's all rusted and everything, and it's only rusted because it rained on the way down here, so it got wet. It used to be perfect, and so this should clean it up nicely. Another thing we got is our Berkeys. So this is how we will have really clean drinking water. So this is a Berkey filter, and it takes out everything. It takes out E. coli. You can put any water in this and drink from it, and you'll be safe. They're really cool. They're pretty expensive, but they're worth it if you're living off grid and your water isn't always that clean. So, and then I bought this stand also because it's so cute. And you just put your cup under there. A lot of people use a Berkey water filter just inside their home. They're a really great water filter to have, but they're especially good for off-grid because I think that it's like $300 and the filters are like $100, but you only have to change a filter every 6,000 gallons. So you're only cleaning them every once in a while, switching them out, and you can put any water in it. We can put the pond water directly in there and we could drink it. But we also have 2 sediment filters that will filter all the water throughout the whole house. And we also have the sediment tank that catches all the big stuff before it goes to our water tank. So very excited about our Berkey. We also put in our smoke alarm. So here's one. We got 2. So this is our little smoke alarm right here. I love these new ones because they're so tiny. You can't even notice them. Keep you safe. And then the other thing I got was just the barkeeper's friend to clean the sink, which you guys already saw. It worked really, really well. I was actually really impressed, and I'll probably need to do it again, but it'll be easier once we have running water in the sink. I'll do it again. When we were at Lowe's, we got some trim boards for the floor, but I think I need to paint them. I think I'm just going to paint them the same color as the wall because there's already so much going on with the black trim. So I need to paint those, and we'll put them in, and then this is all of our extra things. We have leaf protectors to go over the gutter we haven't put in yet. We have our fridge, which will go in the back room once the electric panel's done. This mirror will hang above the sink. I'm so excited for the mirror. So all we really did this weekend was trim, but it was a big task to get done. I'm so glad it's finally done. I feel like I've been doing it since we got here. And we're gonna come back the first week of December and hopefully move in. I'm so excited. Thanks for following along. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm so happy we hit 1,000 subscribers. It's like so exciting, big milestone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you have any video ideas, let me know. I'm open to anything. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.